tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus c, which is the integration of x plus 4 by 1 plus x square dx. That's the end of the problem. Next continuation. Solve the integration of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 by square root of x square minus 1. In solution, take the problem as is. Integration of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 by x square minus 1 whole dx. Now, split the each and every function. Okay? So, this is in the form of u plus v plus w. Separate the integration to each and every term. Then we have to write integration of e power x dx minus integration of 1 by x dx plus 2 by integration of 2 by square root of x square minus 1 dx. Good. That is the integration of e power x. E power x. Good. Minus integration of 1 by x log x. These two are direct formula, but we don't have the formula for direct 2 by square root of x square. Integration of 2 by square root of x square minus 1. That's why we can write like this. 2 constant taken outside of the integration, then 2 into 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now e power x minus log x plus 2 into what is the integration of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx? Good. Cos h inverse x plus. That's the end of the problem. Which is the integration of e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 by square root of x square minus 1 dx. Write down. Yes, students. In 2 marks question continuation, 7th problem. Find the integration of 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay? In solution, write down the problem as it is. In solution, write down the problem as it is. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now, this is in the form of again integration of u plus v. This is the first function, this one is the second function. Separate the integration to each and every term. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square dx plus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. These two are direct formulas. What is the integration of 1 by 1 minus x square? Good. Tan h inverse x. Tan h inverse x plus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x plus, see, this one is tan h inverse x, this one is tan inverse x. That's the end of the problem. Now, 8th one. Solve the integration of root x minus 2 by 1 minus x square dx. Here also write down the problem as it is in the solution. Now we need to solve this one. This one is u minus v. First term integration minus second term integration. So integration of root x dx minus integration of 2 by 1 minus x square dx. Integration of root x. We have the derivation formula. Derivation of root x is 1 by root x. Can you have the formula for integration of root x? No. But we have the formula for integration of 1 by root x dx. What is the formula that one? 2 root x. But here we have integration of root x. In which way we can done this one? So transform into the formula which we have. So what are the root? If you neglect the root symbol, then we have to write power 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 2 dx minus, here 2 is constant, that's why 2 into 1 by 1 minus x square dx. Now again this is in the form of x power n. Integration of x power n plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into integration of 1 by 1 minus x square. Direct formula. Here also we use the same formula. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square tan h inverse x. So that's why 2 into tan h inverse x plus c. Okay. Now x power 1 by 2 plus 1. X power 1 by 2 plus 1 is x power 3 by 2. X power 1 by 2 plus 1 again 3 by 2 minus 2 into tan h inverse x plus. So final answer, this 3 by 2 taken into the numerator, it becomes reverse fraction, reverse 3 by 2, it becomes 2 by 3. So final answer is 2x power 3 by 2 by 3 minus 2 tan h inverse x plus c. That's the answer of the problem, which is the integration of root x minus 2 by 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, any more doubts on this one? Right. Next, 9th. Find the integration of secant x tan x plus 3 by x minus 4 dx. Here we have 3 terms. Separate the integration. Write down the problem as it is in the solution. Separate the integration to each and every term. Integration of secant x tan x dx plus integration of 3 by x dx minus integration of 4 dx. Now integration of secant x into tan x. What is the integration of secant x into tan x? Yes, secant x. Secant x. Here integration of 3 by x, that can be written as 3 into integration of 1 by x dx. Next 4. We don't have the formula for integration of 4 dx. That can be written as 4 into 1. 4 is constant. That's why integration of 1 dx. Okay. If you have any doubt, then 4 taken into internal function of the integration, then 4 into 1, 4 as this. We can get same. Now secant x plus 3 into integration of 1 by x log x. Good. Log x minus 4 into integration of 1 x. All functions integrations completed now. That's right. Plus. That is the solution for integration of secant x tan x plus 3 by x minus 4 dx. Now today's class last problem 10th one. Write down the problem as it is in the solution. Integration of secant square x minus cos x plus x square. 3 terms. Separate the integration to each and every term of the given problem. That's why integration of secant square x dx minus integration of cos x dx plus integration of x square dx. So integration of secant square x tan x minus integration of cos x. What is the integration of cos x? Sin x plus again this in the form of integration of x power n integration of x power n formula. Integration of x power n dx formula as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That's why here x power n value 2. Replace n value by 2, then we can get 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So final answer is tan x minus sin x plus 2 plus 1 3 x power 3 by 3 plus c, which is the solution for integration of secant square x minus cos x plus x square dx. Right down. These 4 problems are homework for today's class, and same model problems completed in the previous 10 problems are these 4 problems completed depends on previous 10 problems. That's why you can do easily, and after completion of the problems verify the answer in your textbooks. Okay, here little bit difficult problem, only 14th one. This one is clearly this in the form of integration of u plus v. So integration of u plus integration of v, integration of sin h is directly cos h. Here we don't have the formula like this 1 by x square minus 1. power whole power 1 by 2. Simply this exponential form can be written as like this: integration of 1 by x square minus 1 power 1 by 2. That can be written as root of x square. Root of x square minus 1 dx. What is the formula for integration of square root of x square minus 1 dx? Cos h inverse x. That's why final answer is cos hx plus cos h inverse x. Okay. So thank you. Continuation in tomorrow's class.